Welcome. In the previous video, we have learned the concept of the chapter, that is force. Now in this video, we are going to do some numerical based on this chapter. Solved examples. Now let us see the first question. Example 1. The area of the bottom of a tiffin box is 0.25 meters square and weight is 50 Newton. Calculate the pressure exerted by the box on the shelf. Given area is 0.25 meter square, weight of the box is 50 Newton. Now we know that pressure is equal to force upon area. Now substitute the value of force and area. Now here force means weight, that is 50 Newton, and area is 0.25 meter square. Now 50 Newton upon 0.25 meter square. After calculation we got 200 Newton per meter square. Now example number 2. Calculate the relative density of iron if the density of water is 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube and the density of iron is 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Now given density of water is 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube and density of iron is 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Since relative density of iron is density of iron upon density of water. Now this is the formula. Now substitute the value here, which is equal to 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube divided by 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Now dear students, here 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to 3 will get cancelled. Kg per meter cube also will get cancelled. Now our answer is 7.85. As we know that relative density is unitless, therefore here no unit is there. That means relative density of iron is 7.85 only. Now example 3. The area of the tip of a screw is 0.5 millimeter square and its weight is 0.5 Newton. Calculate the pressure in Pascal exerted by the screw on a wooden plank. Since area is 0.5 millimeter square, convert it into meter square. Therefore, it will be 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square and weight of the screw is 0.5 Newton. We know pressure is equal to force upon area. As I earlier told you, force is nothing but weight, that means pressure is equal to weight upon area. Now substitute the value, that is 0.5 Newton upon 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Now 0.5 and 0.5 will get cancelled. If 10 raised to minus 6 goes into the numerator, it will become 10 raised to 6. That means our answer is 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square, which is equal to 10 raised to 6 Pascal. Now example 4. Mass of a block of metal is 10 kg and its dimensions are length 50 cm, breadth 10 cm, height 20 cm. Now if the metal block is placed on the following surface on the table, find out on which of the surface ABCD, CDEF and BCFG will the pressure exerted on the table be maximum. See the diagram here given. Weight of the block, which is equal to M into G, equal to 10 into 9.8 Newton, which is equal to 98 Newton. Now for the surface ABCD, length is 50 cm, height is 20 cm. Now area will become 50 into 20, that is 1000 centimeter square. After converting it into meter, we will get 0.1 meter square. Now we know that pressure is weight upon area. Now substitute the value. Here weight is 98 Newton, area is 0.1 meter square. Now multiply by 10 in the numerator and denominator. You will get 980 divided by 1, which is equal to 980 Newton per meter square, which is equal to 980 Pascal. Now for the surface CDEF, length is 50 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter. Now area is 50 into 10, which is equal to 500 centimeter square. After converting it into meter, we will get 0.05 meter square. Now pressure is weight upon area. Now substitute the value. Weight is 9800 upon 5. Here weight is 98 Newton. Area is 0.05 meter square. For calculation, multiply by 100 in the numerator and denominator. We will get 9800 upon 5. After cancellation, we get 1960, that is 1960 Pascal. Now for the surface BCFG, height is 20 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter. Now area will become 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter, which is equal to 200 centimeter square. After converting, we will get 0.02 meter square. Now pressure is weight upon area. Now substitute the value 98 Newton upon 0.02 meter square. Now multiply by 100 in the numerator and denominator. You will get 9800 upon 2. After calculation, we will get 4900 Pascal. Here student, maximum pressure, hence smaller the area of contact, larger is the pressure. Now example number 5. A piece of marble tile weight 100 gram in air. If its density is 2.5 gram per cc, what will be its weight in water? Now given weight in the air is 100 gram, density is 2.5 gram per cc. Therefore volume is 100 gram per 2.5 gram per cc, which is equal to 40 cc. Therefore, according to Archimedes' principle, when the piece is dipped in water, water of volume equal to the volume of piece, that is 40 cc, will be displaced. That means the loss in the weight of the piece will be equal to the weight of the displaced water, that is 40 gram. Therefore, weight in water is equal to 100 gram minus 40 gram, which is equal to 60 gram. So student, here we finish the third chapter, that is force. Now practice it and you will easily get all the concept. Thank you.